the Sealey GA42 Camber Castor Kingpin gauge. These tools are designed to measure a vehicle's wheel geometry by attaching calibrated bubble levels to the wheel hub. The kit's comprised of two separate instruments: a long handle assembly to measure camber angles and to check your floor is level, and a smaller assembly to check caster angles and kingpin inclination. They feature aluminium gauge bodies with chemically blackened wheel stud locators. The GA42 is supplied in a steel case together with full operating instructions. To maximise their accuracy, they should be used in conjunction with a pair of Sealey GA44 steering turntables. The Sealey GA42 Camber Castor Kingpin gauge. Another excellent product from the extensive Sealey range.